Lucy7, and today I'm going to show you what I'm eating for dinner. That's the second thing I'm eating for dinner. This is what I'm eating for dinner. Rice with cheese in it. And she's getting ready for... Oh, hello.
Oh,
Lucy,
hello.
Why she will win Survivor. She's going to be watching Survivor, and...
Don't give away the plan.
Well, okay, fine. You're not going to know the rest of it, but that's what we're going to do for that. So, my mom is right there, and that's just what I'm eating for dinner. Hope you enjoyed this video. Lucy, say bye.
Bye.
Mom, say bye.
Bye.